Betting shops across the corporate area were filled with gamers yesterday, but a very meager amount were observed placing a wager on tomorrow's general election. However, JustBet's product manager Christopher Sawyer said the election bets are spiking. Our odds are basically determined by the local polls posted by Don Anderson. Betting has been very good and we really can't complain this time around as the betting is doing really well. It is way better than the last election and we are expecting more sales between today, yesterday, and tomorrow, today, as we have betting up to midnight on Tuesday, Sawyer said. The odds are $1.50 for JLP, Jamaica Labour Party, to win and $1.60 for the PNP, People's National Party. Let's say someone places a $1,000 ticket on the PNP, then the payout would be $1,600. The $1,000 would be multiplied by the odds, he added. While the average gamer will spend a couple $100s on games like cash pot and sports such as horse racing, Sawyer said political supporters are throwing hundreds of thousands on a single bet. What I can tell is that most of our bettors are going to bet $100,000 on their political parties. The last election, I think the JLP would have given them $2.80 odds, so you have persons who bet $500,000. There was this one gentleman who won $2.8 million, and that was only on one bet. For the JLP to win over 32 seats, the odds is $1.45, and for the PNP to win under 32 seats, the odds is $2.55, said Sawyers. In addition to choosing the party they think will win, Jamaicans through Island Bet can also wager on how many seats each party will win. Additionally, bets can be placed on 30 constituencies that the betting company has singled out as battleground or swing seats. But some Jamaicans who spoke with the Star had no interest in participating in the election betting. My already a pay tax, which means me a spend on politicians, so them will trick me not spend a cent on any of them. Me will go on by cash pot. My new trust in people, yeah, because next time I put a big money in some foolishness one and my no get mine. Cash pot put on my pot, so I hit me a stick with, said one man. Others said they would not be betting on the election because the payout would not be worth it. My were the green people them for step down, but mine a gamble on them at all. A monkey money them a pay. Me can buy cash pot with the bills, $100, and if it mega, me win a nice little change can cook some food and have change. But a bills can't buy a thing if me win the election bet. Me no dep on them thing de. Yeah man, a woman said. The Star came across a PNP supporter who said he is confident that the JLP will be on the losing side when the results come in tomorrow evening. He, however, stated that the payout for each bet is extremely small, and as a result, he has to supplement his bets. Me will vote out the other side, man, but the only thing is that the payout like a bit bad. Might have to be betting on some football game to win a big money, he said.